In today's lesson, we're going to explore programming step by step from algorithm to output. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used to solve a problem. Think of it like a recipe. Each step must be followed in the correct order to get the right result. In fact, a computer program can be considered a detailed version of an algorithm. In mathematics and computer science, algorithms are often used to solve repetitive and logical problems in an efficient way. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a sequence of logical steps used to solve a problem. The good news is, it does not need to follow any programming language rules. Algorithms can be written in simple English so anyone can understand them. At this stage, the programmer focuses only on the logic, what needs to be done and how it should be done. There's no need to worry about coding syntax yet. First, we think, then we plan, and finally, we code. Characteristics of a good algorithm. A good algorithm has some important features. Let's look at them one by one. Precision. Every step must be clear, exact, and easy to understand. Uniqueness. Each step should give a specific result based on the input and the previous step. Finiteness. An algorithm must end after a fixed number of steps. It should never go on forever. Input. An algorithm can take one or more inputs to start the process. Output. It must produce at least one output as the final answer. Generality. The same algorithm should work for many inputs, not just one special case. Basic steps to write an algorithm. Writing an algorithm is easy if you follow these basic steps. Start. This shows where the algorithm begins. Input. Take the values needed to solve the problem. Process, or conditions. Perform calculations or apply conditions. Output. Display the result. End. This shows the algorithm has finished. Simple, logical, and organized. Algorithm example 1. Multiply two numbers. Let's see a simple one. Algorithm to multiply two numbers, A equals B times C. Start. Input numbers B and C. Compute A equals B times C. Output the value of A. End. Algorithm example 2, add three numbers. Now another one. Algorithm to add three numbers, x equals p plus r plus s. Start. Input numbers p, r, and s. Compute x equals p plus r plus s. Output the value of x. End. Great job! You're thinking like programmers already. What is a flowchart? A flowchart is a diagrammatic or visual representation of an algorithm. Instead of writing steps in words, we use symbols and arrows to show the flow of actions. This makes it easier to understand how a solution works, step by step. Flowcharts are widely used to design, analyze, and explain programs and processes. Common flowchart symbols. Let's understand some important symbols used in flowcharts. Start or stop symbol, the terminator, shows the beginning or end of the flowchart. Input-output symbol, used for taking input or displaying output. Processing symbol, shows calculations or actions being performed. Decision symbol, the diamond, used when a condition is checked, like yes or no. Flow lines, arrows that show the direction of the process. Connector symbol, connects different parts of a flowchart. Types of flowcharts. Flowcharts are mainly of three types. A. Simple flowchart. A simple flowchart follows a straight path with no decisions or loops. Example, calculating the area of a circle. Start, read radius r, area equals 3.14 times r, print area. Stop. B. Branched flowchart. A branched flowchart includes decisions. The flow changes based on a condition, yes or no. Example, checking whether a number is even or odd. Start, read a number, Divide it by 2. Is remainder equal to 0? No. Display odd. Yes. Display even. Stop. C. Looping flowchart. A looping flowchart repeats steps until a condition is met. Example, finding the sum of n numbers. Start. Set I equal to 1 and sum equal to 0. Read n. Is I less than n? Yes. Sum equals sum plus I equals I plus 1. Go back to decision. No. Print sum. Stop. Advantages of using flowcharts. Flowcharts are very useful. Here's why. Better communication. They make ideas easy to explain and understand. Effective analysis. Problems can be found early, saving time and effort. Good documentation. Flowcharts help during testing and future updates. Efficient coding. They guide programmers while writing code. Easy maintenance. Programs become easier to update and improve. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions written in a programming language to perform a task. High-level languages like BASIC, Logo, Java, C, C++, and Visual Basic are easy for humans, but not for computers. So these programs must be converted into machine language using a compiler or an interpreter. During execution, the program is loaded into RAM, and the CPU executes it line by line. That's how computers follow instructions, quickly and accurately. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. See you soon!